purchase a domain from Mailchimp to use with your website and send emails to your audience. First, navigate to the Domains page on Mailchimp.com. In the Start Your Search Here search box, type in the name of the domain that you'd like to purchase. Then, click Find Your Domain. If you already have a business name, you can choose that for your domain. Otherwise, choose a domain name that's short, pronounceable, and clearly communicates who you are. Mailchimp will search and generate a list of available domains along with their annual cost. Any available discounts will also be displayed, which eligible accounts can claim. Keep in mind that the exact domain you search for may not be available to purchase. If you would like to search for another domain, type in your new search and click Find More Domains. Mailchimp will highlight the first available domain extension, but you can also choose from 200 of the most popular extensions. If you'd like to purchase the first domain listed, click Claim Your Domain. Otherwise, browse the list of available domains and select the domain that you would like to purchase. Next, you will need to create a Mailchimp account. If you have a Mailchimp account already, click Login and sign into your account. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll need to fill out the required registration information for your domain. Every domain purchased through Mailchimp includes free WHOIS privacy protection and a secure sockets layer, or SSL, certificate. This means that this personal information will not be searchable via WHOIS lookup for your domain, and the content of your website will be verified and encrypted. Once you have entered the required information, click Register Domain. Next, add a payment method and verify your contact address and billing address. Review your billing details and purchase summary, then click Pay Now. After you make your payment, you will need to verify your purchase information via email address that you provided. To verify your domain, click on the Verify Domain button in the email. On the next page, click Verify Information. If you do not verify your domain within 15 days, the domain will be suspended until verification is completed. If you've previously verified a domain using the same email address, your new domain may automatically verify without sending the verification email. You'll be redirected to the Purchase Domain Success page in Mailchimp, where you can build your starter page. That's it. Your domain is now ready to use with your website or landing page. You can visit the Domains page within your account to access your current domains and related settings. For more information on domains, check out our articles and guides and tutorials.